Hello and welcome to appse demo. In this session where we will showcase this workflow, we are syncing new items, new products which are created in HubSpot Sales Hub to Zoho Books accounting system as new items.
So a quick overview of the workflow that we have within appse. So we are starting the workflow with an auto trigger. Whenever any new products are created within HubSpot, it will get those items. It will check those items within Zoho Books whether that item exists or not. And if the item already exists, it will not add that. If the item does not exist, then it will add this new item within Zoho Books. So let's execute the workflow and let's see the result first. So I have this product within HubSpot. The SKU is TNE001, just a sample data. Now, if I go in Zoho Books and if I search through this same product TNE, so I can see that there are no such product exist within Zoho Books with the same SKU with the same name. Now, if I quickly go in appse AI workflow automation platform and run this workflow, let's see the result once this workflow execution is complete. So now, if we check the last node and check the result, so here I can see the item has been added. The item is TNE001. It has a name which has been added within Zoho Books. The item status is active. The item has a description which is picked from HubSpot, and we can see the other details. So item sales price, item purchase price. In that way, Zoho Books will be able to calculate the margin, and all the other details are added, and it's an inventory item, so same type has been selected within Zoho Books. So now if I quickly go in Zoho Books and see that within the same item section, so let's first switch the module and come back to the item section. So I can see this TNE001 has been added within Zoho Books. It is an inventory asset. It has a purchase price of 7. It has a sales price of 10. All these are coming from HubSpot. And it has a description. In this way, if you wish to add images, you can map that between HubSpot and Zoho Books as well. So in this way, you can sync items from HubSpot to Zoho Books. Now, just giving a little bit more overview that how the logic has been configured within appse AI workflow. So now if I go here, so first what I am doing is I have used this trigger new products created. I've selected a time frame and it is picking up all the new products which is created within that particular time frame or starting from that time frame. Next is if I go in Zoho Books, I am fetching all the items by SKU. I got the SKU from HubSpot. So I'm searching whether that SKU exists or not. In the decision node, I'm searching whether the item is like returning a positive value or not. If the item is returning a positive value, that means it exists within Zoho Books, then we will not add that item. If the item does not exist, then we will add that item within Zoho Books. So we have used create new item. We have configured, so it's like simple drag and drop, and I can bring in whatever fields I want. So I have added item name. It will be a goods type item. I have added some essential fields which I have used for this quick configuration: description, SKU, item type, sales rate, purchase rate, and this kind of data. So based on this, the new item has been created within Zoho Books through appse AI workflow automation platform. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more such informative videos that we are going to share.